Hey guys, make sure you stay till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having guys problem trying to find the fuses for the trailer lights on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we will explain where you can expect to find them if you have that option. We will talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs, guys. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So for the trailer lights, which fuses and relays we need to check? Come guys, we'll show you here on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us, guys. Now there will be guys, hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox that most people do not know they even exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And what we guys need to do here, we need to open the hood facing the engine. On the right side here, that's the driver's side, guys. You see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the engine fuse box. You have a clip here as well. Squeeze them together, leave the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here what we need to check specifically, okay, we'll be checking 3 different components. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what else you will, guys, need to check, because there will be some hidden information. And the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 18. You see that 15M fuse, that's the one that you need to check at first. Then, guys, you will need to locate fuse number 22 right here, that 10M fuse. 22 will need to be checked as well, and 25, the one right underneath. So these 3 fuses, guys, okay, 18, 22, 25 will need to be checked. What about the relay? So you don't have a relay, guys. The relay function is controlled by the module, so you have just these fuses that are known as relay fuses. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.